Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 108 in the Allure specification. It comes with 15-inch alloy wheels, colour reversing camera, you get tinted rear windows and keyless entry. Inside the car there's the 7-inch touchscreen that features DAB digital radio as well as Bluetooth. You also get air conditioning, the car comes with 1 year's warranty and has done 16,000 miles. So let's have a look around. This car has a full service history, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.